Sige, let's have sample problem 4.9. A uniform pipe cover of radius r 240 mm and a mass of 30 kilograms is held in a horizontal position by the cable CD. No? Assuming that the bearing at B, ito siya, does not exert any axial thrust. So anong ibig sabihin kung walang axial thrust? Wala tayong force along the dito natin, no? Determine the tension in the cable and the reactions at A and B. So sabi dito is horizontal daw to, supported by our cable BC. And then sinabi dito yung B natin is walang axial thrust. So how many reactions do we have at point B? We have? Yung necessary lang natin dito na may restriction is, hindi naman natin to pinapamove pa ganito, no? So pwede natin i-neglect yung moment. So dito, you have yung bearing natin dito is, walang restriction along Z natin. So wala siyang component or reaction along Z. Ito siya is, meron tayong reactions, no? X, Y, at saka Z. So somehow, yung FBD natin would look like this one, no? So hinge, we have 3 reactions. And then ito siya hinge, but no reactions or thrust, we have 2 reactions. Okay? So ayan lang. Ayan. So saan tayo mag-moment? Sa A natin. Somehow, parang the same lang to na problem, no? Sige. Una muna tayo, A what? We have AXI plus AYJ plus AZK. Yung B natin, we have BXI plus BY pala. BYJ. Okay? And then, meron pa, we have W. W natin is negative 294J. And then lastly, we have T. Anong tension yan? From D to C. No? We have TDC, DC, magnitude, TC. So we have TDC. Ano yung DC natin? Paano tayo makapunta? Dito, dito, and then papunta dito. So we have negative what? Negative 24i. And then yung J natin, 0.24 din? 0.24J. And then yung K natin, negative 0.16K. So we have square root of 0.24 squared plus 0.24 squared plus 0.16 squared. No? So, ayan lang. So, this one here is TDC. This one here, the magnitude here is 16, no? 0.16. So, we have here, diretso ko na lang, no? We have negative 6 over 7T. Anong T yan? TDC I. Then, plus 3. Ay, reduce. Times 2 pala to. So, that is 0.48. 0.48 to. Ay, sa I pala. Sorry. 24. This one here is 48. Ito din is 48. Reduce, no? So, okay na? Sige. TDCJ minus 2 over 7 TDC. Okay. So, ayan lang. Ano yung next step nito? I-total natin lahat, no? So, we have here, summation of forces is equal to 0. That is equal to, lahat ng mga I, we have AX plus BX, and then we have minus 6 over 7 TDC I, plus lahat ng J, we have AY plus PY plus 3 over 7 TDC J. Oh, meron pa. We have yung weight natin pala. Negative 294J. And then lastly, we have for Z, we have AZ and minus 2 over 7 TDC K. That is equal to 0. Under pa ba ni? So, ayan. Okay na? So, we have, how many equations do we have here? Equal to 0, equal to 0, equal to 0. So, we have how many unknowns? 6, no? So, try natin sa summation of moments kung meron tayong tatlo. Summation of moment equal to 0. So, equal to R cross F. So ano yung, saan tayo magmo-moment? Sa marami yung unknown. So dito, so we have R cross F sa B plus R cross F sa W plus R cross F sa D, no? Is equal to 0. So we have, ano yung R natin sa B? We have, papunta doon, negative what? Lahat nito, no? So pakitotal daw, ano yan? 480? 480. No? So 480. So we have negative, no? Negative 480 man. So 0.48 what? Anong F? We have K. Now cross, ano yung F natin? Sa B. We have BXI plus BYJ. So ayan. Then dito tayo sa weight. Ano yung R sa weight? Ha? So ito, papunta dito. So sa IJK, na pagkakasunod-sunod, ano yung I? 0.24 I. And then? Okay, negative 0.24 K. Ayan, cross. The weight is negative 294 J. No? So ayan, then lastly, we have point D. So, plus, ano yung R sa D? Oh, dito, papunta dito. So, ano yung I? 0.48. 0.48 positive I. And then? Okay, negative 0.24 K. Cross? Ito, no? I-TDC na lang natin kasi medyo mahaba. Gets nyo naman, no? Is equal to 0. Ayan. So, i-expand natin yan. Sobrang haba din. Diretso na lang, no? So, sa exam, isa-isahin mo pa. Kaya yung sabi ko sa inyo na yung exam natin, chapter exam na lang. Kay itong problem lang to, parang isang oras na isolve, no? Basta mag-ano ka. So, chapter exams na lang next. So, after this week, next week, mag-exam na tayo. This week to na discussion, di ba? Makukulangan tayo ng time kapag mag-chapter exam tayo. No, yan yung sabi ko sa inyo. Na yung mga student is, okay kaya sila chapter exam, pero kapoy di ay halos every week. Di lang. So, we have here, anong meron dito? We have negative 2ay minus 3 over 7t plus 294 plus 2ax minus 2 over 7t plus 6 over 7t minus 294. Okay, this is j is equal to 0. So ilang equations meron tayo? We have 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and we have 6 unknowns. So babo hindi, masosolve na natin to. Oh, masosolve. So ano yung makukuha natin dito? We have our t is equal to 294 divided by 6 over 7. So yung t natin from our calculator, we have 343. Sige, 343 newtons. And then substitute natin dito, no? We have our a equal to ax pala, ax positive 2 over 7 343 divided by 2. So we have our ax equal to 49. Makalculator niyo ito, 49. Okay, 49. And then, ay, makukuha na natin yung ay, no? So, ay is equal to, transpose sa kabila, 3 over 7 times the t, 343, minus 294, kasi transpose, no? All over, negative 2, no? Equal ko lang to sa 0, no? Transpose, so ayan. So, we have our ay equal to 73 ba? Okay, 73.5 newtons. Okay? So, sige. Meron na tayong ax, meron na tayong ay. Substitute saan? Makukuha natin yung az dito, no? So, we have our az is equal to 2 over 7 times yung t natin is 343. So, 343. So, yung az natin, that is equal to 98 newtons. Klaro? So, ano pa? yung By. Ito, makukuha natin yung By, no? So this one here, our By is equal to, transpose sa kabila, we have negative. So negative what? 73.5. Then minus 3 over 7 times yung T natin, 343 plus 294 is equal to, equal to 0. Ayan, equal to By. So this one here, this is equal to, ano yung By natin? 73.5. Nakuha nyo? Kung i-calculator, 73.5? 73.5 newtons. So substitution lang to, alam ko, master nyo na yan, no? Bx. We have, our Bx here is equal to, transpose sa kabila, negative Ax, which is 49. Then, transpose, we have positive 6 over 7. TDC is 343. So, this is equal to Bx. Ano yung Bx natin? It's 245 newtons. No? So, ayan lang.